everybody, how are you guys doing today? My name is Imbar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please make sure, don't forget, destroy, smash, like. I don't know what you guys want to do. Just make sure the like button will turn blue, and please don't forget also to subscribe for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, guys. You know, during the week we're working so hard, so during the weekend we want to blow off some steams. Follow my Instagram, put the link in the description down below. Some amazing videos, some amazing shoots that we're doing during the weekend. You know, we do some off-roading, jet ski with the boat. It's an amazing, you know, we're working so hard and we just want to blow off some steam. Second thing is, guys, I want to let you know I'm just for entertainment purposes only. If you want to do the stock market, please don't rely only on me. I want you to do your own research, please. You can listen to me only for your entertainment purposes. I'm not a professional expert. I'm not a broker. I don't want to sell you anything. So this video is sponsored by no one. So, guys, follow me up and then let's start the video. Let's talk a little bit about my portfolio. So I'm a dividend investor. So I invest in each company that pay me dividend. Like I told you before, for example, Tesla or Amazon, I don't care about those stocks because they don't pay dividends. Let me talk about the beginner stock portfolio. So actually, when you buy a stock, you're going to be an owner of a company. You're going to be a short owner of the company. The company makes so much revenue, so much money, and then because of you, one of the owners, you get a dividend. So each quarterly or each monthly, they will pay you dividend. You know, usually how people work is the way they're looking about the revenue of the job, the revenue of the business. They're looking about who's the CEO, they're looking about who's going to replace the CEO, what everybody does. I'm more the way I work like Warren Buffett. Okay, so two things Warren Buffett teach me the way the stock market works. I mean, like, you know, I took it as a beginner. One of the things he said was, you don't need to be a rocket scientist. Investing is not a game where the guy with 160 IQ beats the guy with 130 IQ. So what does that mean? For example, let's talk about McDonald's, okay? Everybody knows McDonald's. Since the day I was born, I'm actually eating McDonald's. It's a good company. I see them on every corner. You know, basically, usually when a company like McDonald's or AT&T or one of the blue chip stocks, big companies, something has happened, it usually hits the big news. You know, I don't have time every day to go check who's the new CEO, what kind of revenue they did. Did they had losses last month? Did they have losses? Did they have losses last quarter? Did they have losses next quarter? So, like I say, you don't have to be a really rocket science to understand what's going on. For example, also Coca-Cola, you know, it's an easy stock. I know, I drink it, people drink it. Wherever you go, you see Coca-Cola. When you see commercials on the TV, you see Coca-Cola. So I believe in the long term, you know, those stocks, they will do good. They will continue to do good. I mean, like, everything is still a risk. Of course, tomorrow, if they say Coca-Cola has something they put in the drink and suddenly everybody hates it, the stock will drop, of course. So that's the first thing I learned from Warren Buffett. The second thing I learned from Warren Buffett is actually what I was telling you before. Never invest in a business you can't understand. So the saying is, never invest in a business you can't understand. So if you see all these numbers, you get confused. I don't like to get confused. I just like to go straight. I see these numbers, I'm getting confused. So what I'm saying actually is never invest in stuff you don't understand. Guys, if you don't understand the research or you don't understand anything, just don't invest. Like I do, I love to invest in blue chip stocks. So I invest only in things that I know. If I see all these numbers, I'm getting confused. I mean, like, you can call me a dummy, or I don't mind actually. You can call me a dummy, like Warren Buffett said. You know, you don't have to be a smart ass just to ride the stock market. I mean, everybody can do it, and just do it and do your own research and understand what you have to do. So, guys, one of my favorite stock is DIN, D-I-N. It's underneath IHOP and Applebee's. So that's one of my favorite American dine-in restaurants. I just love the food, you know, especially when you go with a family. I love to go with a family. They have shops all over the United States, and what's good about them is they're open 24/7. Like, you know, I mean, like, I love companies that are just open 24/7, especially, you know, like people that are working during the long nights, they want to have a break. They go to IHOP, especially when you have truckers. All America is based on truckers. So, guys, I really love you guys, by the way. So yeah, during the night they have somewhere to eat. All the time when I go there, except for right now with the illness, things is going on. Yes, they lost some revenue, but I don't care because again, I'm looking for the long term relationship with them. They still have a great dividend yield of 503%, so 503%, 5%.03. Excuse me about that. I'm happy with them right now. I still buy shares. They are on the range of $40. They used to be higher, but you know, again, I'm looking for the long term, and I know they will get higher eventually. So I see them as a sell right now, and yes, I will keep buying them. So who doesn't love a muscle car? Especially one of my dream cars will be a Ford Raptor. It's just an incredible beast, and I know because when we travel, and I like to travel off-road, I see a lot of those cars around. Yes, I know Ford is a bit risky right now because of the slow sales, but I see this in the long time. A great opportunity because Ford sales will rise up again. You know, also in the 2008 crash, people were like, no buying cars, but at the end, after the crash, people will buy cars again. And again, I see this as a 40% deal right now. Ford has a dividend yield of 7.49%. So, you know, look at the circumstances, I still think it's a great buy. Guys, I hope you guys love this video. Please don't forget to smash the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully to see you soon. I will try to upload every Friday a new video. So please guys, I love you. Don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you so much.